What a funny way to begin a video. Hello and welcome to adventure number 9. I'm Michelle and I'm traveling with my sister Karen in my self-converted Promaster van I named number 9.
So let's see what a 33 will bring us.
We are mooch docking at a friend's house in central Michigan, and before we began today's adventures, we offered to detect our friend's yard to see what we could find. We dug for about an hour and found some fun relics and a little pocket change.
A piece of hardware.
Today we are headed to a small city park named Fitzgerald Park.
Oh, here it is. More foil. More trash. Oh, there, it came loose. And we got a smashed tin can, maybe? Okay, we're still in here. That's not it. No. Oh, wait. Found a penny. Oh, I found a dime. That's it. Iron. I think it rang up 34. Oh, uh-oh. Found it. It's a beaver tail. Oh, there it is. It is another relic. We've just been moving you around. Where you at? Oh, there you are. I found you. Found you. There you are. There you are. Let's see what you are. Oh, you're a coin. Looks like a quarter. It is a quarter.
Today we are headed to a small city park along the Grand River in Grand Ledge, Michigan. This 12-acre park is split into 3 parts. Cross the walking bridge onto Small Island, which features a pavilion and a paved trail to the other end of the island. Small Island is a great place to have a picnic or throw a line in the water and watch the gentle current of Grand River float by. It's just a short 0.2-mile stroll to the island's upstream end, where a viewing platform offers sweeping views from the middle of the Grand River. And don't miss the old train bridge upriver. If luck's on your side, you'll catch a train rumbling across. Pause here for a few minutes to soak up the island's energy with its towering trees and vibrant bird life. We are at Fitzgerald Park in Grand Ledge, Michigan. And this is a great little city park. We've explored part of it already. We've gone out on this really super cool island, which has a asphalt path all the way down to the end. And now we are taking the trail down to the actual ledge, and I think we might be able to see a really cool train trellis. So come along, let's have fun in this park. And we have begun to see the ledge. Not ledges, ledge. Just one. Just the one ledge. We're on a really busy trail for a Sunday afternoon, but that's okay. But along the way, I want you guys, if you come along on this trail, to pick out these old foundations. Those are really cool. Thank you all for watching my video. Oh, do you know what this is right here to your behind you? This right here. Here, let me show you what this is. Nope, you're touching the wrong thing. You're touching your maple tree. This is called jewelweed. And it generally, ours at home have a purple hue here, but can you see how thick that is?
Yeah.
Right there? Okay, let me squeeze some of this out. This will cure stinging nettles and poison ivy. And what I usually do is I harvest it. It has a little horn of plenty. We can keep walking. It has a horn of plenty as a flower. And I will, when it flowers, that's when I think the stems start to turn purple. There's some purple there on that one. And I usually just put it in a blender and I spin it until it's just liquefied, just barely. And then I put it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. And if I ever get into anything that's irritating my skin, this is the stuff that usually fixes it. And I go down to the spring near our house to harvest it. There are really big trees here, and this one is sitting at the top of a 15-foot ledge. What a great trail. It's been a little busy here on a Sunday afternoon, but like to see great spots like this being used. Looks like there might be a spring right here. Oh. after you cross this bridge, that's sort of the end of the path, and you go up and you enter into the other section of Fitzgerald Park, and it's got parking here, it's got bathrooms, pavilions, children's play place, you can get water, and there's also a frisbee golf here, which is really cool. So we basically just retraced our steps along the Grand River and made our way back to the car. And thank you guys all for watching this video. I hope you have a chance to visit Fitzgerald Park. Have a wonderful day. Thank you all for watching my video, and have a wonderful day.